Okay, well, I figured I can't waste a video on just one problem, so I added one more that you guys can practice on in just a minute. So let's go ahead and finish up D that we added earlier. We had gotten to the point 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 over 3. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 7, 47 over 8. And then over here to the side, I did 47 times 4, which is 188. 3 times 8, 24. And so we were just at this point when the last video stopped. So there's two things that tell me this fraction can be simplified. One, remember what I said? You check this. Nope, that can't be simplified. You check this. No, no, yes. See how these have a 4 common? That tells me to take a 4 out of each of these. So whatever's common here will also be common here. So when I see that 4 is common in that diagonal, I go, okay, we're going to divide both of those by 4. So let's go over here and do that. So 4 into 188. So 4 times 4 is 16, so put it over the first 8. Subtract, and we get 28. 4 goes into 28 7 times. So that's going to be 47 over 24 divided by 4 is 6. So 47 over 6. And like I said earlier, if they don't ask you to change it to a mixed number, you don't need to. If they did ask you to change it to a mixed number, then you just go up here and divide 6 into 47, turn it into a mixed number. So dividing this by 4 gave me 47. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 47's prime, so I know it can't be simplified anymore. Okay, shut off the video and do this last one. And then turn it back on and you can check it with me. Notice the first fraction is not a mixed number, so there's nothing I can do there. So I just write 1/4. But this one is a mixed number, so we have to do times and plus. So 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Over, keep the same denominator, 8. So multiply 48, add 5, 53, keep it over 8. So now we have two fractions, because remember, we can only multiply fractions. So now that we have two fractions, now we can multiply straight across. So first I'm going to do my little sneaky check and see if anything's common. 53 is prime, so it has nothing common here, nothing here. 1 and 8 don't have anything common. 1 and 4 don't. So I can tell when I'm done with this step, I'm done with the problem. As long as I've checked both diagonals for common factors and both fractions, my final answer won't be able to be simplified. And that's really a nice trick when your numbers are large, so you don't have to sit there and go, oh my gosh, is this going to simplify? So 53 times 1 is 53. 8 times 4 is 32. Should we go ahead and practice putting that in a mixed number since we didn't do it with the other two? So 32 into 53. 32 and 32 is 64, so it only goes in one time. And then I subtract, and I'm going to get what? 21. So there's my fraction, 1 and 21 over 32. Just so you don't get out of practice making mixed numbers in case they want it. So you can write or 1 and 21 out of 32. In 21, the only thing that goes into it is 3 and 7, and 3 and 7 don't go into 32. So we know that is simplified. Okay, that's all for lesson 6. Nice, easy lesson, right? So I'll catch you on lesson 7. See ya.